Hello, my dear children. Welcome back to our maths class. I hope you all are doing well and safe at your home. In the last class, we learned how to add 3-digit numbers. Today, we are going to continue this lesson by doing some activities from the textbook. Let's start. First activity, library. Mary's school library has 524 Malayalam books and 75 English books. Out of the 120 books that arrived today, 20 are English books. What is the total number of books in the library including the new arrivals? What is the total number of English books? What about Malayalam books? Children, once again listen the question. How many Malayalam books are there in Mary's school library? Yes, 524 Malayalam books. How many English books are there? Yes, 75 English books. Today, 120 books arrived. From these, 20 are English books. Here, we have to find out the total number of books in the library including the new arrivals, total number of English books and total number of Malayalam books. Let's write the details in a table. You know, Mary's school library has 524 Malayalam books and 75 English books. How many new books arrived today? Yes, 120. From these, 20 are English books. Then how many Malayalam books arrived today? You know, out of 120, 20 are English books. So the remaining 100 books are Malayalam books. Next, we have to find out the total number of Malayalam books including the new arrivals. To find that, add the number of Malayalam books in the old stock and the new arrivals. That is 524 plus 100. 4 plus 0, 4. 2 plus 0, 2. 5 plus 1, 6. So, what is the total number of Malayalam books? Yes, 624. Like this, we have to find out the total number of English books including the new arrivals. To find that, add the number of English books in the old stock and the new arrivals. That is 75 plus 20. 5 plus 0, 5, 7 plus 2, 9. So, what is the total number of English books? Yes, 95. Next, we have to find out the total number of books in the library. Now, there are 624 Malayalam books and 95 English books. So, to find the total number of books, add these together. That is 624 plus 95. 4 plus 5, 9. 2 plus 9, 11. Write 1 here, 1 carry over. 6 plus 1, 7. So children, what is the total number of books in Mary's school library including the new arrivals? Yes, 719 books. See the next question. Sports meet. In the sub-district sports meet conducted at Mary's school, 199 boys and 204 girls participated on the first day. On the second day, 31 other boys and 21 other girls also participated. How many students participated in the sports meet altogether? Who are more in number, girls or boys? Children, how many boys participated on the first day? Yes, 199. So, number of boys participated on the first day equals 199. How many girls participated on the first day? Yes, 204. So, number of girls participated on the first day equals 204. See children, on the second day, 31 other boys and 21 other girls also participated. Next, we have to find out the total number of boys participated in that sports meet. You know, 199 boys participated on the first day and 31 other boys participated on the second day. So, to find the total number of boys, add 199 with 31. 9 plus 1, 10. Write 0 here, 1 carry over. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Write 3 here, 1 carry over. 1 plus 1, 2. So, total number of boys is equal to 230. Like this, we have to find out the total number of girls participated in the sports meet. You know, 204 girls participated on the first day and 21 other girls participated on the second day. So to find the total number of girls, add 204 with 21. 4 plus 1, 5. 0 plus 2, 2. Write 2 here. So total number of girls participated is equal to 225. Next we have to find out the total number of students participated in the sports meet. For that, add the total number of boys and the total number of girls together. That is, total number of students participated is equal to 230 plus 225. 0 plus 5, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 2 plus 2, 4. So, total number of students participated in the sports meet is equal to 455. See children, who are more in number, boys or girls? Yes, boys are more in number. See this question. Students who participated in the race were given chess numbers from 951 to 989. If so, how many took part in the race? Here, chess numbers were given from 951 to 989. We have to find out the number of students participated in the race. You already learned the easy method to find out the numbers between one number and another number. Do you remember now? What's that? Yes, very good. Last number minus first number plus 1. So, let's find out the number of students participated in the race. Which is the last chess number? Yes, 989. Which is the first chess number? Yes, 951. So, 989 minus 951 plus 1. Then subtract. 9 minus 1, 8. 8 minus 5, 3. 9 minus 9, 0. We got 38. Then add 38 with 1. That is 38 plus 1 is equal to 39. So, number of students participated in the race is equal to 39. I hope you all understood today's class very well. You should do this exercise in your textbook. Today's class is over. See you in the next class. Thank you.